I'm Julia. In this video, we are going to go over all of our text tool features in the designer. Let's select our text tool, which will bring up a new window with some default text options. Simply select an option and place it on the page to create an editable text box. By double-clicking the text inside or using the text edit mode feature in the quick menu, you can begin typing in your text. The quick menu also offers several additional options, including selecting a new font, adjusting the alignment within the box, color, and depending on your font choice, adding bold, italics, or an underline. Now let's say I create a font style that I really like and want to keep using throughout the book. All you need to do is return to the quick menu and select Save Text Style. This will create a brand new preset in your text tool window. Another feature we have is text wrapping, which takes a shape from our shape tool and adjusts the text around it. Select a photo frame and place it down. Then, head over to the Frame Settings tab and find the Wrap Text option. There are also options for spacing and alignment of your wrapped text. Move the frame around to achieve the desired look. If you see a yellow exclamation mark under your text, it is likely that something is not showing fully in your text box. In this case, make sure there's no extra spaces or words being hidden, or expand the box until all your text is showing. Thank you for choosing EDOnext as your yearbook software.